In Jurassic Park is next to impossible. Hello everyone, myself Sarthak and you are watching Behind the Labs. We all love dinosaurs, the roaring beasts that dominated our planet 66 million years ago. But but some of you may say that no Sarthak, we are actually closer to bringing dinosaurs back from extinction as scientists just brought direwolves back. But trust me, it's not the same case as the direwolves and you're not seeing Jurassic Park anytime soon and here's 3 reasons why. Reason number one, extracting the dinosaur's DNA. Extracting the dinosaur DNA is not a piece of cake. DNA is an organic matter and just like other organic matters, it decomposes. According to science, DNA has a half-life of 521 years and in around 6.8 million years, all its bond completely decays and taking into account that dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago, their precious dino DNA is long gone. And some of you might say that, but Sarthak, can't we just use the preserved DNA in the Jurassic World? So the answer is no. The scientist at Colossal, the same company that de-extincted direwolves, has tried this method and it doesn't work. And talking about the dinosaur fossil, unlike many people think, that fossils are not actually bones, but they are actually mineral rocks, and rocks don't contain DNA. And fossils don't have dinosaur tissue in them, and even when it seems like scientists found some tissues in the fossils, it is actually just decomposed proteins or microbial contaminations. So even if you find a full T-Rex fossil, chances of finding a DNA in it is zero. Reason number two, cloning. Cloning isn't the same as depicted in the pop culture. For cloning, for example, if we have to clone animal A, we have to take an egg cell which is from the same species of the animal A or from its close relative or cousin, and then we have to remove the nucleus from the egg cell and we have to introduce the DNA of animal A in that egg cell and then keep it to multiply. The way scientists de-extincted direwolves is the same. They took the DNA from two fossils, namely 13,000 years old tooth and 72,000 year old skull, and they identified 20 differences throughout 14 genes that distinguished direwolves from modern wolves. And then they took the egg cell of a grey wolf and denucleated it and introduced the nucleus of that the scientists created of the direwolves, and by this way the direwolves were de-extincted. But it's not the same as our dino buddies, as dinosaurs don't have a close relative. The closest thing that comes in my mind is the chicken, but editing a chicken's DNA through a T-Rex DNA is like modifying a supermarket cart into an F1 race car. But even if we are able to overcome this problem, we ran into another problem, that is reason number 3, the climate, the environment and the area. During the Cretaceous era, the climate was warmer, more humid, and the air was thick, and the global average temperatures were 5 to 10 degrees higher than today. And here's me complaining about the heat in this room. Plus, the air at that time had 30% more oxygen than today. That means our baby little T-Rex boy would find it really hard to breathe. And there is also a fourth and underrated reason that would make it difficult to make a Jurassic Park, and that is the immunity of the dinosaurs. The dino immune system was perfectly suited for the ancient microbes, but for our dinosaurs, the modern microbial life would be like alien. They would certainly die due to diseases. And taking into account that the Jurassic Park is an American company, they have to spend a lot of pennies on the dinosaurs' health. And let us see now how much land our dinosaurs would need. A full-grown T-Rex would need a whopping 100 square kilometers of land to live, thrive and reproduce. For comparison, that's the same size as the Central Paris for one T-Rex, for one. And making Jurassic Park would be a hell lot of expensive. According to the ChatGPT, it would take 5 to 10 billion dollars to make the park and 205 to till 500 million dollars each year in maintenance and other works. Yeah, it makes me sad that how far we are from making our dinosaurs. We don't have the proper DNA, we don't know that we can clone them successfully, we don't have the proper climate, the environment, the land, and we don't know that if any company would try to spend billions of dollars on prehistoric lizards or birds, whatever you may say. Well, this is the end of the video, guys. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button if you like this video, and bye bye.